Mwega. Welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiro. My name is Wanjiro. I always appreciate the fact that you come back to watch more lessons from me, and I also appreciate those who come here for the first time. I am about to start a series that is the noun classes. In Kikuyu, we have 17 noun classes. We are going to look at all of them, but each class with a separate video. So, shall we start? A noun class is a system of categorizing nouns based on shared characteristics. They are often found in languages like Swahili or other Bantu languages, so like Kikuyu language. So like I said, we have 17 of them. I am going to list them here and give you a minute to look at them. Yes, they are all here. And today we are going to look at the first one and the second one. It's not like I'll have 17 videos or 17 lessons. Some of these classes are plurals of some of the classes. For example, the first one, and this is what I'm going to start with, is people. A person is one class, which is class number 1, and people will belong to the second class, which is class number 2. And that is what we are going to start with. And we are also going to look at how we describe them, how we say this noun, how we say that, how we say these, and also how we use adjectives with the nouns. So noun classes is such a big topic, which I hope you're ready for. By the way, in Swahili, noun classes are called ngeli. Ngeli ya kivi, ngeli ya awa. So we are noun class mo a. When we say mo a in Kikuyu, it means what we are starting with, like what our nouns start with. All people will belong to this category except children. I don't know why they just decided that a child can be called mwana, but children cannot be called ana. So a person is called modo, and the plural people will be ado. Alright, number 2, a man, muduri, men, aduri. So you see, when it comes to plural, we are kind of replacing mo with a. Muduri, aduri. Modo, adu. Alright, number 3, we have a woman, mutumia. So the plural will be atumia, correct. Number 4, we have a lady. A lady is moiretu. So the plural will be airetu. Number 5, we have a gentleman, mwanake, anake. Mwanake, anake. 6, we have a friend, murata. So the plural, arata. We have a farmer. A farmer is muremi. So the plural will be aremi. We have a student like you, morutoa. So the plural will be arutuo. We have a teacher, mwalimu. Then teachers will be arimu. If you would like to get more examples, you can check out my Kikuyu professions, or how we call professions or occupations in Kikuyu. So in this category, if we wanted to say this person, this man, this lady, this student, we are going to say oyo. Oyo. For example, this is a man. Oyo ne moduri. This is a teacher. Oyo ne mwarimu. This is a student. Oyo ne morutuo. So if you see a man and you want to say this man, you say moduri oyo. Muiretu oyo. Mwanake oyo. Modo oyo. Okay? If we wanted to say that person, maybe I can see them like that person, I'm going to say oria. Oria. Mwanake oria. Moruto oria. Moremi oria. Okay, so it will be oyo, this, and that will be oria. Then the plural will start with a. If we want to say these people, we say aya. Ado, aya. These people, these farmers. Aremi, aya. Arutuo, aya. Anake, aya. Those will be aria. Aria. Area. Now we are going to look at a few adjectives, and sometimes when you want to speak Kikuyu with this noun classes, it is very easy, because if you know the adjectives, or if you have an idea of adjectives, for example, if we had the adjective tall, I always use tall because I'm very tall. So tall, we have like a dash and then raihu, so that you can add something there that can fit the noun that you're describing. For example, if I wanted to say a tall man, I'll say muduri. Because of this mo, it will be moraihu. Moraihu. So this is a tall man. How do we say that? Oyo ne muduri moraihu. Oyo ne muduri moraihu. What if we wanted to say these are tall men? Aya ne aduri araihu. Aya ne aduri araihu. Again, we are adding a to our adjective because of the noun. All right, I'm gonna give you another adjective, and that is good. Good is ega. Ega. So we are going to say this is a good student. Oyo ne murutuo mwega. Correct. Oyo ne murutuo mwega. And if we wanted to say these are good students, aya ne arutuo ega. So I said ega, but once you mix aega, instead of you saying aega, the more you say it, you realize it will be ega. Aega, but it will be written as aega. Aya ne arutuo ega. Good. New will be ero. 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 Now let me use a teacher. If we wanted to say that is a new teacher, that is a new teacher, we'll say what? Oria ne mwarimu mwero. Oria ne mwarimu mwero. The plural will be aria ne arimo ero. Aria ne arimo ero. So what I will do now, I will give you a few adjectives, and I will need you to use them with the nouns that we just looked at. For example, you can use a gentleman to say young. So we are going to say this is a young gentleman. So I'm giving you young. Then I want you to do the plural of it. Then we are going to say that is an old woman, like a grandmother. Also do the plural. Those are old women. Those are old women. And finally, we are going to say that is a bright farmer. That is a bright farmer. So here is bright. These are your 3 assignments. You can just write them in the comment section below, or you can send them to my email address. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to join the next lesson. Tonane.